So hi guys, welcome to welcome to my channel. This is my first video. So actually I started the video, but I accidentally kept in schedule. So that's why these all things I have explained this thing. So my rank was dropped. It was not a thing. So I am doing this thing for only for educational purposes only to get and understand how to write a code. So I'm also using Gemini. So because I'm not a pro coder, so okay, I already explained these questions. So I'll wait those these things. I'm sorry guys, I will not share the code because my 6-star account got plagiarism by sharing these codes in Telegram. So that's why I stopped the Telegram channel also. So okay, I think so. You can see in the code. I should increase the kind of concentration or okay. Is it okay? Not bad at all. So okay, it is a so the problem is a set size. Okay, set size and it contains in that thing it contains an array A to N. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT. So set size. Okay. First, I will tell you how to write this code. Okay. First, they gave an given an integers which contains a to the power of n means infinite. Okay, for a positive integer x. So it contains only positive elements, and those positive elements are considered as a1 plus 1, a1 plus 2, like that, up to a to the power of n and a to the power of x. Okay, so the input format should be in the first line of two integers. So we should import that import I think so int okay n comma q to the array elements. So to pass these test cases, so we should explain set x is equals to wait how this 10 came. Okay, it is a sample to test case. So here is the output as per the output. So once Gemini will explain me, okay, to solve the setters problem, shift of respective. So continuous optimization repeated direction. So we have to solve this problem. Gemini said to solve it in a binary search. See, this one only. Yeah, it's yes. So it's set to solve in binary search means the code should search the values in a 0 comma 1 only binary elements. Okay. So it is the formula which is used for to solve it. So okay, uh, okay, it will give code in C++. Okay, not bad at all. Okay. So first we understand the code, first of all. So how the input and output is matched, first we have to understand. For the 4 comma 5, the output came 3. So I have to understand. Okay. So I'm about not rating, I not care about this rating. If it is false to 0 also, I need only my knowledge. Knowledge is divine. My friend Surya Teza said, if he is there, shout out to him. Okay. So guys, I only know maximally C and S Python only. So I don't know how to write these things. So this is my website, guys. I have created for my thing. So that's why. What it will do means it will add comments and remove a plagiarism. Oh, I shut. I accidentally showed my code. Okay, you will not do anything. Okay. You ask ChatGPT with Pro model, it will tell. So I will understanding this question. To solve this, we have to use first to sort the differences. We can sort ascending to descending. Okay. So I copied this code and paste it and humanize it here. Oh, sorry guys. I have kept in Python. So again, I have to paste it. Okay. I found a new bug in my thing. So if I copy and paste, they are I challenged my friend not to copy paste, but I copy paste. So okay, first if the okay it does not passes any test cases. Okay, no, nice, very good. So wait, I will do copy and okay, sorry for the background noises. I'm in my room. So next week onwards, I'll go to library and I will do these things. So to solve this problem. First, we have to sort the differences as per ascending order, means 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why they gave the order like a to the power of 1 and a to the power of 2. These still I'm developing my website, so that's why I'm getting so many errors. If you want this, you buy. I'll give if you buy early access. Sorry, 60 this thing. I'll give you unlimited times for whole year. Okay, so to understand this code, to solve this code, we have to. So I think so for gaps, I should use insertion short also. So now only I saw how to solve insertion code. So that's why. Okay, sorry, bro. I'm copy pasting codes up, bro. Sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm still learning. But I swear to God, I these three problems I did not use any copy paste, and I nearly don't copy paste anything. So okay, if I submit and I download this code, and after this, coach will also explain the code easily more than me because Coach is Coach. If Coach sees this video, it will ban my account. Such man. Like, not bad at all. So, okay. First, after giving that code, to solve this thing, they used the time complexity O and log. Means there is a I think so. Overall time complexity is he's I think so easy. I think so because today class only I learned about time complexity and space complexity. Time complexity means the code should run in a particular time of thing. So that's why time complexity it is used. Mean maximum in codes if they did not see the about time complexity. So that's why I think so. They have a thing of time exceeded error also to pass these test cases, they give only around, I saw, yeah, time limit is 1 second. So we have to solve this problem in a milliseconds, I think so. So, okay. So here is my profile. 3 star, don't ask me how I got 3 star. I don't, even also don't know. In my old account, I got nearly 6 star. So it's a past is a past. Okay. So, so that I understand this problem. So, who's after this thing, I will try to solve it. Okay. Hmm. Okay. This question is solved. After that, max size. You are given an array of A2 integers. Okay. A1 comma A2 comma A to the power of 1. Wait 1 second, guys. So I will copy this. Arey yaar, I feeling so much of guilty here, but I need internal marks, so that's why I'm copy pasting here. But swear to God, after completion of this exam, I always prepare for all these codes in my Python notes. Even my mom has checked my notes and she said, why you written data structure algorithm in Python notes? And I did not told anything. So that's why. I'm sorry. Coach Chef, please do not block my account. If you want to use this thing, I will give you full source code. Okay. So actually my friend is calling out. Okay. Can I leak his number? Arey, okay. So after this exam, I will explain each code, what I know, what I understand. Okay, max size. Okay, first we understand the question. You are given a array, means array contains a of n integers, means array contains n integers, means int value should be there in an array. I can't even explain properly. By day, I will be better than you. Okay, you are given a two integers, so they are gave two integers, which has represented as x comma y. Wait 1 second. Is my voice is audible? And I did not told me. Yeah, okay. Yeah, my voice is audible. Okay, so to consider the prefix value, size of x and array of b means in a size of a element means a is a prefix. So prefix of a means prefix means wait last chat GPT sorry Copilot sorry my bad. I think so. Prefix generally sometimes comes after. Okay, yes. Before an element means before a prefix will become and it is considered as a b. So the maximum value should be greater than or equals to y. Okay. The corresponding array. Okay, array should be x is equals to 4 and the kind of test case to pass. I think so. The input format should be in a two line of integers n comma q size area of number of queries. Okay, nice. Next q line of two integers x comma y. Nice. Okay. Describe the problem statement. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Okay. Let's see what. I wait. Okay. To solve this efficiency, the limits we cannot afford to prefix. Okay. So to prefix segment. Okay. Segment tree. Oh, my sir said about binary tree, but did not said how to use segment tree. Okay. Segment tree and the values. Okay. Okay. He gave the Python code. Oh, such. Wait. If it does not pass, this pass. I did not even see this type of time complexity in my entire life in the 6 months of my coding career. It's not a career. Okay. Mhm. So I asked it to give in a C++. So that's why to pass all these test cases. But if you gave any kind of code to me, I can easily understand too. So, wait. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Okay. So I will explain this code. First, we should import the system because it is a mandatory to solve and to split these elements A comma B. We used split function, and if that data is input data is not there, it will return to 1 or 0. As per the input there is no 0, so that's why I did not mention any kind of 1 or 0. So to import these n comma q, where is this q queries and n queries. So for n I represented as input data 0, and q I represented the value as 1. Okay. uh, So x is equals to input data id x means index. So y is equals to index plus 1 because the y value should be so x value should be greater than y. I may write y should be greater than x. Oh yes. Ever since I was a kid, I always feel that thing greater than or less than, because if I write here 10 and represent and here 9, so that's why like that. So, okay. To pass these test cases, we used multiplication also. So, by getting the answer, we have to multiply into the q value. Q is equals to input data 1. So, okay. And it also contains some nodes and used if else statement, for loop and while loop. If for loop is happened, while loop will not happen. Wait, we will run. If this correct, I will ask ChatGPT to. Okay, yes, it's all past the test cases. Keep it. I will download these all files. So wait, I will ask my personal my website that it can solve this thing or not. Okay, submission correct. So okay, if it passes also, I have a doubt that hmm, still getting doubt. Yeah. Okay, offline query process. Instead of answering queries, this order they are given via proof of all for a prefix. Segment tree on values. I did not even heard this name segment tree value. I think so. It's like a binary tree and like that also. Because the time complexity also did not heard about this. And it took 2.46 seconds. After that, I will write my own code. Means my AI code, which was written by Cloud Opus 4.5. Okay, it passes these test cases. Nice, good job. Not at all any kind of problem I faced ever since I created those websites. If my rank drops also, I do not care because ah yeah, but wait, we will not jump into next problem. Okay, these okay, I understand. Wait, what is segment tree values? It's like a binary tree, or I will ask Copilot, it is very free, open source. I think so, not open source. Yeah. Sorry, my bad. If Bill Gates sees this, I'm sorry, Bill Gates. Okay. What is a segment tree I need? Okay, an array of These things sucks really bad. I asked what is a segmentary. It's telling the entire thing. Sorry, if my English ma'am sees this English, she will probably resigns her job. Sorry, ma'am. Okay. What is a binary tree? Ah, yes, they are also represented as a binary tree. Okay, segment tree is specifically data structure used in competitive programming. RAR, they already gave in competitive programming, so that's why I asked again. The AI also it is representing that in the competitive programming it will ask. Yeah, what this shit, man? I think so. We should machine learning these things. Why Bill Gates update this Bill Gates? I think so. He's a CEO. He's not a CEO of AI. I think it's a co-pilot. But this browser is really awesome. Okay. Binary tree. Okay. Let's jump drive it. Percent an array. Uh, I, what I understand means example like if a tree has a roots, it is considered as an array, and every leaf is represented as an element. I understand because if the roots are not there and leaves will be not there. Means if we cut the roots of the plant of the tree, so the tree will be collapsed now. So that's why. Okay, nice range query. Okay, the time complexity and wait. I have a doubt about this time complexity also. I will ask it. So we should not copy paste entire code. If we copy these things also, we should know, learn what about. Arey, yaar, these things are so horrible. Okay, what is the time complexity? So n is equals to building time complexity. Pre-processing units and login. Okay, it is also represented as a login. Okay, nice. Good job. Sub arrays. Okay. In an array, in a sub array. Wow. Means example like 1 to 5. Oh, sorry, 1 to 2. In that element, in that numbers, wait, what? My code is got leaked, yaar. Arey, yaar. Shit. I think so. You can't see the full code. Hmm. Sortable subarrays means if there is a number 1 to 2 and the sub elements means 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So these are considered as subarrays, I think. Okay, not bad at all. Hmm. Okay, the first line of a single array integer output should be sorted. Sortable array. I think so. We should use any kind of sorting arrays like bubble sorting. I think so. But why they gave? Wait, we will ask our Gemini. Okay, optimization strategy using string array to determine the solvable array. Mhm. Okay, O and square complexity. Nice. I can't understand this code here. What is pre-computing location instruction? What the heck is going on? Hmm. I think so. I will ask. It is the best way. So I can't understand that some kind of error, some kind of things. See once. Sub-arrays means I said like that between 1 to 2 there are 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. These are considered as sub-arrays. For example, they gave also example and can form which is sorted. Wait, what? In the example, they did not even mention any kind of minus values. but that can form a minus value. How re, yeah, does they use any kind of way? They set the value rule, valley rule. Oh, valley means Vishaka Valley School, like mountains. Okay, to make a section of blocks perfectly sorted, small logic tricks are originally numbered specifically shaped like V. Okay, wait a second. First, we run this test case. If it works, okay. Or should go in the- okay, here is why. Okay, I understand. If there is a mountain, wait, I will explain. If there is a valley like this, how to increase this thing? Concentration of it. If there is a valley is going up, this value will 1, 2, and 3 became -3, -2, and -1. I understand this code. Okay, thank you, Gemini. You are the best. Okay. This original number is getting larger and 678. The golden rule is a okay. Only sorted it goes. A sequence is a sortable if it goes down for a while, then it goes up. Once it start going strictly up, it never back down. Hey, they are mentioning about the trading strategies about a Bitcoin where it goes pump, it does not goes down. Yeah, yeah, the golden rule also they mentioned that if the value is 543 as going upside and it will not come downside. But in the trading, it was like a breakout structure and it will comes down and it is retested. If there is a resistance support, so kind of stuff is there in trading. So I also have a 3+ years of experience. I lost so much of money, so it's a kind of part. So still I'm learning. Okay, the smart strategy instead of testing everything simply powerful blocks which is slow, we can act as a detective looking ahead. Okay, nice step by step workout. Okay, it also gave the Python code. Okay, wait, what happened to this? Wait, yes, it's passed all these test cases. Let's go, baby. Oh, sorry. Wait, this is for educational purposes only. Don't try it at home. Am I right? Okay. First, it explains the code in Python. Even my Gemini also know that I only know Python. That sucks. Sorry. Okay, leave it. Okay, first NXT index means it is represented in the I think so in this thing I think so. I did not see NXT. I think so. Next was to integers. I think so. Wow, Gen Z. Wow, wow, Gemini. You're wow, really wow. Okay, we created two lists filled with positions where last block is represented as n-1. Okay, nice. So to pass after that, if we from the output if the output, wait, if the output is 4, wait, no copy paste, output is 4 minus 1 into n. Okay, 4 minus 1 equals to 3, 3 into n. So, n again 4 into 3, 12, like that. Okay, after that, we have to cheat the fill sheet. So, if the graph is going up now, so that's why those values are becoming high. So, sorry to my handwriting, these things very suck. So, that's why -3, 3 it goes to like that, 3, 4, like that. If the golden rule is the golden rule means if the value goes up, it will never touches the down. It only continues going like this. But in trading, there will be breakout, support, resistance, liquidity, volatility, fair value gap, CSVG, breakout structure, support, resistance, Fibonacci time. There are some kind of so much of stuff in it there. So it is a very big farm of videos, so that's why sorry to waste your time. So I know you can't see this thing because if I show it, my account will be plagiarism. So I'm really sorry, guys. Next time I onwards, I will clearly make it if only for this tab only there is a thing called blurriness. After that, there will be no thing. Wait, I'll kind of adjust this thing. So you can see properly. I think so you are hearing my voice properly. So still we are learning this code. Okay. My rank got up. Okay, nice, good job. Yes, same rank. Not about an anchor. Alternative. Wait. Alternate. I also completed. Yes. First, we understand this problem because previous problem I did not even understand, but I skipped it because I can't understand. Tomorrow I will go to my madam and ask. Okay. For step C means step 3, answer is equals to 0 for L in range, comma, and P is equals to NX to IC. Max are okay. The maximum value and represented as per the N value in the input as per n and p. Okay, p plus 1. Okay, finding the bottom of the value, nxt increase cheat sheet. It tells about the exactly where the frequency stops and goes up. Okay, for this code, answer is equals to 0. This thing, wait, I'll show in this notepad. Okay. Arey, yaar, bro, are you really kidding me? Okay, for this thing, the value goes up only. And Gemini also said so here. See, this side you can clearly see. So it said that if the value goes up, exactly sequence also will be stopped, stops up. Means for this test case, for this 5 lines of code, 3, 4, 5, yes, right? Okay. NXT slash INC cheat sheet tells about for this line, the sequence stop going takes up in first step. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, I little bit understand the valley concept means valley concept will be worked only on subarrays because these subarray values will increase only so that. Wait, I have a doubt about this question. What? Wait, what? What is the main thing in the question? If I got plagiarism, tomorrow onwards I will not student. Just kidding. Okay. Okay, final key take means for a query, find how many elements from the prefix value. Like previous some prefix also represented means before elements, how many had gone up and how many had gone down. Okay, nice. GG, good job. And last one, alternative sum. Alternative sum of an array. Oh, they gave a problem, yeah. Okay. It elements notes that the score of empty array is 0. Okay. If the scored also the empty array, oh, the score is 0. Okay. For this kind of thing, the alternate sum is also 0. Okay. Furtherly, we define f of a is the maximum value of score b. So f of a is represented the maximum value of the score b. So f of a is always greater than like score b. Yeah? Okay. Subsequences of a here b is around if f of a maximum value of score b for b which subsequence of a where b is 0 means the value of a is greater than b means a value is 5 and b value is 1. So they said that b is 0 empty means 0. So they gave oh I also found a kind of thing if they gave they will be twin like questions representing equal difference and alternating not representing equal difference but these some problems will be both are identical. I now I understand. Okay, nice good job, good job. Okay, b is a subsequential of a. Again they represented b is a subsequential of a. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. The query is a to the power of L plus 1. Wait, I did not see any kind of this format. How that L can first A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay. Hmm. What our Gemini said, the problem is efficiently solved by using segmentary. Holy shit! Again, they're using segmentary. Since we are answering multiple range queries by subsequential dynamic and segmentary is perfect merging optical choices. Okay, summaries. I understand today's what means if if we have to solve anything, we like that subarrays like in array form we use an binary or a segmentary like that only. Oh, okay, nice. Which was represented in CO4. Not bad, yeah. Tomorrow is my IoT exam is there, but I'm still okay. DP problems. Okay, these are the time complexity they gave, I think. So, okay, nice. Arya, Coach F is not dumber as I think, yeah. Hmm. JD is some kind of combinations and subsequences are there in this thing. Nice. So also it gave that C++ code once good. Wait, I will ask the Gemini to give the code and see. Hmm. There are so kind of errors. Okay, no problem. I did not see any kind of these things like DP means a direct product. No? What are these? Hmm. Well, yeah, why I did not think. Even Gemini gave the code, I can't understand that code. So that's why I'm not solving this thing. Or I will try to copy paste, but no. What I will get? Time complexity also, previous some also what have this thing has done the that one on the Sorry guys, I'm submitting this thing. Hmm. Shit, I solved without knowing these three things. The set size. I understand the set size, but I can't understand the max size. Shit. Wait. I will remove all these things and hit back to Gemini, and I will delete this thing. अरे यार, I think so I made a mistake, guys. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Wait, what happened? Hmm. Are you audible? Am I audible? अरे यार, I turned off the mic. Shit. Bro, I really explained this all this thing, bro. Okay, wait. Again, I will explain. Are you audible? Okay, okay. No worry, no worry. To pass this test casing means brute forcing. Example, if you have your favorite teacher's email ID, favorite teacher email ID, uh, and you want all her photos and videos, favorite teacher only, okay? Okay, favorite teacher. To get her password, we can use brute forcing. Means we have to collect her data like her name, her date of birth, her children's, her father's, her boyfriend's, her ex crush. All these numbers all these names, and we have to write in a note. And there is a kind of tool in Kali Linux. So if we keep this all data in this Kali Linux, it will try. It will attempt all these passwords. At that email ID. So it can get an access. So that is called brute forcing. So to pass for a starting valued condition a comma I and a comma j. So these both a elements are commonly taken. So that's why a is taken. A is not represented. But in to for rearrangementing of these arrays, I think so. These group of integers. So that's why they has represented a and a value also represented. To pass these test cases, we have to use o into n square time complexity. So and there is a common formula, like example like sin a plus b sin a cos b plus cos a sin a, like that. To pass this code, we have to use c into cn minus 1. So okay, I will explain the explain the code line by line. So first we have to import the system. So def solution, we have to split this function. If the value did not read the input, you have to returns to the value 0 or the 1. So t is represented as input data. Means I'm asking. अरे यार. Sorry guys, my hostel contains these things. So I'll explain this question as fast as I can, and I will end this stream. So to pass these test cases, we have to index value should be always b plus. So that's frequency. So after that value will become, so that frequent value goes to here, and after that the code will understand that. To pass these test cases, we have to use for loop in a range. So we can represent it A or B or C. But in C++, for I is equals to 0, I is greater than n, I is greater than n, and I plus plus. But for this thing, for in Python, it was very easy. So it is represented as n plus I. So n value as imported as already predefined in this compiler as in the input. So this n value as will be go into the end, and the value of input index has we already represented this input data. So that value will be added to plus 1, and plus 1 and index, then index value is index value always plus or equals to 1. Sorry guys, my college hostel sucks. Tomorrow onwards I'll go to library live stream. Okay, oh no worry bro. So to this is the formula C into Cn plus 1. So that's why it is passed these test cases. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Sorry for I can't even I can't explain all these questions. I'm really sorry, guys. Am I audible? Sorry, I'm really sorry, guys. Wait, I solved all the problems. See, I feel a small kind guilty but using AI. I'm sorry, but next time onwards we will try. But swear to God, I these three questions. No, 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 I will not show that because these three are easy. I also set size, but I can't understand this question. After this thing, coach will be explain all these things, so I can write. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Okay, bye bye. Good night. Take care.